College Bun Fibro Session Part te kane ka jemputip hawete bat kane ka mekla police te kane ka wake examination ka bre jong ka UBSI po West Khas Hill shalab balik tu ha ka bede ba ka jingtho exam te sha kem uwe te la de tu roll number te uni ubala sha kem mudu undu ya ka ban exam la ne ban apply kampulit nang ne shakmat unum yo kampulit shu unum yo shu ban yele kampulit te habai de bitku week sentar ngam tibre kidon ki baong ba o sha ban bat mobile tam ta ka de ban complain la de ban object tamba ki show comment po comment section ya kata te ngimla le ere ndai pri ban yang shakmat primi shakmat kita gi bi ong badon hagi jakaru ki bale tu kumta hi ta pa amdon bade complain te kanampoi research e la de ban kita gi bayu i kata ka jingle tu ki de ban complain khnang wa kindu kan matha exam hakata kamera exam hi bi de ban ong bi de ban yu te baro kin ya yo lang ya yo hok kan ban ila exam te tengin pe ya kana goi kebla penmi na po official website himo kana na po mekla police hi tengin puli kana notice rule number nel dap ai nge teng rawat kerteng yo hi tamam no kwa ban wat kerteng tengin supe ya kana ka notice wa penmi. This is to inform that on the 18th of May 2025 a written test was conducted for the post of UBSI kadai nam ta ka UBSI in various districts. However, despite clear instruction ba umdai ban botu umdai ban le tam komne kam tai nang don hi about examination rule and conduct to the candidates in one of the examination center in West Khas Hill, one candidate bearing roll number 11018783 resulted to malpractice ma botu lane komne kam tai by using unfair means lane rak mobile lane lekne gini tai during the examination which amounted to violation of the rule guideline the examination such misadventures act is condemnable and intolerable in a transparent recruitment process TRP adhered by the Central Recruitment Board. Mekla police hands in viewing the matter seriously. This particular person bearing the above roll number is hereby debarred from future police recruitment. But now umyo shu ban apply complete nang nashikmat respective to of post to be conducted by the CRB and his her candidature for this present recruitment stand rejected. Lasha rejection done but umyo shu ban apply nang nashikmat. If the concerned person wishes to contend appeal, lada ukwa ban appeal file representation against this order, he/she may do so to the appellate authority CRB by submitting petition. Lada usngo ba umdei balak bakla te ula ban file ban appeal file petition against kaneka order authority CRB by submitting petition through the Suburban Police West Khas Hill Marbak Sentak West Khas Hill, who is the examination in charge of police examination held within West Khas Hill district. The Hakiwi district amtibre tamba don padai ki ba komen ki ong ba don Hakiwi district ru ki ba sha ban pek mobile unong abro mong ere te hajing sisa kita ki ba tho exam lang kla de ban complain kla de ban ong in re la fis ngap mud ba pia shimti lang te let it be mla le ere la phi ba ki le kum ta la de ban complain te nim sang exam ru de ben yang skmat te kata kala ban ruan ra ya ka jing sisa ka jing lab ba okay don balik tu tem tam ta tapi lak kan man proof ya kata kan shan rela phim le e te phi ong ta tam la era te ki don ru ki ong ba don la plate tu pai jinggali te mla era la dap ka exam la phi complain ha ka tu ka por phi yele phi khang ban e te okay ka la ban le re ndala dap ya ka exam adap tho ada sumi paper no option don shu mla e shu ya kata la phi ki la dap mlong shu la phishlur ha tu hi ka por phi ki jingduna umdei ban lam ta der bam ta te kala hi ban long ban mi hi kita ki jing ban penbet ban le e dei hadin mla shu ban le e mo te takadau nang ni smart nang don biang ka exam jong ka AB ru nang don AB bat AB constable artali driver bat AB te sa kan mo ba kini bahasa exam la phi syam kanu ka jing le tam le tu le e phi de ban ong be phi de ban yang shakmat ta ba kenang ngobrol kan be garanti amdere ba ndala dap ke exam pada sa complain le kumta tu yo kumta kata kan don cuman toy ere lada hakapor katu hi phinom ong ere phinom le ere kanam poir se te kenang ban yo lang baro kenang ban poi ka babet kan nom don kan te lada phikwa de ben le hakatu hi kapor hi ki jununa de ban ong ben te mentar le ere te tangune we hi ba ka de West Khas Hill ka sentar jong ka UB SI te la shalap te maybe don gi bayu te la du sendon bat la sha reject sendon nam ta ka ban apply kampulit te tangkan hi flash one